Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
Hey everyone! In this video, I will explain how to enter the block zone within Roblox's Exciting the Hunt Mega Edition event. To begin your journey, your very first step is to gather at least 3 mega tokens. These are special, more challenging tokens found across different games in the event. Think of them as your golden tickets. Without them, the path to the block zone remains closed. So, focus on collecting these 3 crucial tokens first. Once you have successfully collected your 3 mega tokens, your next destination is the Orb Zone, located right in the event hub. Here, you'll encounter a clever block pushing puzzle. Your task is to strategically move several blocks until each one rests on its correct, marked spot. Take your time and plan your moves, as solving this puzzle is the only way to unlock the path forward and gain access to the mysterious block zone itself. Fantastic! After you've successfully navigated and completed the Orb Zone's block puzzle, you'll find that access to the block zone is now unlocked. Often, you'll receive a special item, such as the node Rabbit Ears, confirming your achievement. The block zone is a unique and exciting area, separate from the Orb Zone, and it comes with its own set of challenges. Get ready, because a new, often more intricate, puzzle awaits your skills within this newly opened area. Now that you're inside the block zone, prepare for its main challenge, another block pushing puzzle. This one often involves pushing several blocks onto designated key spots to activate them. Be aware that this puzzle can be quite tricky, sometimes even set to a hard difficulty, requiring precise movements. Successfully conquering this block zone puzzle will not only advance your progress, but can also reward you with valuable exclusive items, such as the impressive node Armor Pauldrons.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.